Singers and speakers use glottal stops all the time. We use them when we're saying things like uh-oh, when we're saying words that begin with vowels. Egg, offer, right? That that little bit of a kind of glottal stroke that we have at the start of that vowel sound. Now I have one way in which we can use a glottal stop to create a little bit of a different texture or emotion in our singing. So that is to take a word that has an unvoiced consonant, so a consonant that has no pitch to it, so an S or an F, and then to take the vowel sound that follows that unvoiced consonant and begin it with a glottal stop. It sounds a little bit weird, right? So let's say we have the word say, right? So instead of say, we're going to say say, say. And it can create this really nice little texture, especially in this case. So let me demonstrate that for you. Now there's nothing you can say or do. Say, say. Add a little bit of a squeak there too. Now there's nothing you can say or do. And it creates this, this kind of almost like being choked up, emotionally speaking. And that's when I would use it. In this case, is this really sad song. Say, say. You hear that little bit of a glottal stop. I'm not like slamming really, really hard. I'm obstructing the airflow a little bit, but I'm not just going say, say. Like I'm not choking off the sound. But it creates that emotional kind of texture to it. Experiment with it. Experiment with different unvoiced consonant vowel combinations and different words and see if you can use it to good artistic effect. In the meantime, please let me know how you do with this. Leave some comments or questions in the comment section below. Also consider subscribing and clicking the thumbs up button if you like this content. Thanks for watching.